Hey, Wally the Builder here. Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to take a few minutes and just review my favorite budget tool. And I say budget, it's not cheap. It's like, I don't know, $200, I think. But in terms of the brand, Kobalt is pretty budget. I bought this because it advertised 80% quieter. And I thought for sure that's got to be a gimmick. But let me tell you, this thing, I get compliments every time I use it. Unfortunately, I stopped using it in my van because I needed something smaller. It wasn't taking up so much space. But I run this in my shop now every single day as a woodworking professional. And it's just whisper quiet. I can have conversations with people. If I'm listening to a podcast and it kicks on, I can't even barely hear it. So that's it running right there. And this is me talking normal. There's your stats. Amazing little tool. And this is my second one. I actually burned through the first one, I think after about 2 years of pretty consistent use. And that was another thing I loved about this. There's a crazy good warranty on it. It's a 3-year limited warranty, and all I did was take it back into Lowe's, didn't have my receipt, and they exchanged it on the spot for a brand new one in box, no questions asked. You can't get any better than that. What do I run in the van? I run a QuietTech. It's a really high power, fast one. I run through a Festool sustainer. That's simply so I can rack it. But if I had to only pick one, especially if I wasn't mobile, this would be it. I've even run undercarriage spray guns with it, which typically need a higher volume output than this thing does, but it worked fine. I painted my whole truck with it. So again, can't say enough good things about the QuietTech from Kobalt. Go get one. You won't be sorry. If you like this video, please check out my other ones. Like, share, subscribe, ask questions if you have any. And if you do happen to have a favorite air compressor you'd like to share below, I'd be curious. Please leave comments and have a good day.